Good morning guys. Today is Saturday, so we will test our emergency generator on board. Let's go guys. Ito yung emergency shut-off valve. In case of emergency, ito yung hilain natin pababa para mag-stop yung supply ng diesel. Ito na yung shut-off valve na activate. Check natin yung battery. So yung reading niya is nasa 26.97 volts. So nasa normal volts lang. Before tayo mag-start ng emergency generator, i-switch off muna natin yung battery charger. I-select natin yung selector. Pindutin natin yung start button. Solenoid valve. Ibalik natin sa reset para next starting ready na siya. Pagkatapos ibalik natin sa auto mode. Tingnan natin dito sa loob ng panel kung may mga abnormal alarms. So wala, okay. I-switch on natin ulit yung battery. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and follow.